God bless, and we continue in this video 18, David, a family affair. This time we're going to share about Solomon, the third anointed king of Israel. The third anointed. Technically, he's the fourth king, if we count Ishbosheth. But Ishbosheth was not anointed to be king, but he was for 2 years. So this is a summary of what you're going to hear. Here's Solomon, the third king of Israel. God does forgives, introduction, and he does it with deeds. Much ink is given to the preaching and teaching of David's sin with Bathsheba. But God, demonstrating his forgiveness and mercy with deeds, he gave to David 2 sons, Solomon and Nathan, through Bathsheba. Both men continue both genealogies to the Lord Jesus Christ. Though Solomon is hardly mentioned through David's struggles, he was there, witnessing his father's dealing with Absalom, Shimei, Mephibosheth, Barzillai, the Gibeonites, and Saul's and Jonathan's bones, and Adonijah intent to take the throne. Solomon started to reign when he was 19 years old. He reigned 40 years and died when he was 59. This is the story. Solomon was born from Bathsheba. He is also called Jedidiah, which means beloved of the Lord. You find this in 2 Samuel 12, 24, and 25. More than 2 years after Solomon's birth, Absalom killed Amnon for abusing his sister. 2 Samuel 13:23. Then Absalom fled to his grandmother's land, Geshur, and stayed there for 3 years. 2 Samuel 13:38. Solomon is about 5 years old at this time. Absalom was called from Geshur by the king, and he sent to his house at Jerusalem and stayed there for 2 years. 2 Samuel 14:28. Solomon is about 7 years old now. Absalom stayed at Jerusalem for 4 years. He worked winning the hearts of the people. 2 Samuel 15:7. Solomon is about 11 years old now. Solomon sees the wisdom of King David, his father, as he fled Jerusalem to save her from the hands of Absalom. 2 Samuel 15:14. Probably young Solomon heard when Shimei cursed King David. 2 Samuel 16:7. Young Solomon was there when David mourned for Absalom. 2 Samuel 18:33. Young Solomon was with David on the ferry boat crossing the Jordan on his way to Jerusalem. 2 Samuel 19:18. Young Solomon was with David when Mephibosheth met them. 19:24. Young Solomon was with David when they met Barzillai. 19:31. Young Solomon was there the 3 years famine. 21:3. Young Solomon is about 14 years old or more. We'll continue.